Hello and welcome back to the Writer channel. Today we are going to be learning how to detect and destroy the awful AI-isms that are ruining your copy. By this point I think we all know the tells, hedging language, double negatives, bullet point word lists, single word for emphasis.
Let's face it, now more than ever, you need to avoid AI slopping your copy. Why? Because everyone's doing it. Grandiose framing, meta commentary, excessive en dashes. Fixing this isn't just a requirement, it's non-negotiable. Period.
When I finish a big PDF guide that our demand gen team is going to put into the market, I also supply them with a lot of messaging. It's sort of a messaging guide, ideas about key themes, value propositions, pain points, and that helps them generate the banner ads, the newsletter subject lines, the other calls to action they're going to be peppering around the internet as part of paid campaigns. So I'm going to show you a playbook over here. I can hop in. This is for creating that messaging guide. You can see what it does. It's got lots of variables, which are areas I can drop in material that's relevant to this particular assignment. So defining the audience, the themes of this content, the stage of the funnel, the strategic goals. Now as files, I've got our writer style guide and our persona messaging doc attached here for the agent to reference. Now, each month and each quarter, we update and swap in the latest files so that the voice and language the agent generates are on point for our brand. I've also got my voice toggle here where I can select between the voice I use for the blog, what we use for executive thought leadership, what we use for a technical engineering post, or maybe just the big picture marketing tone. But what I really want to draw your attention to today is not the playbook, but the 4 skills that I have attached to it. Now, after the agent finishes generating all of this copy, it uses those skills to ensure that what we've written is up to date with our latest messaging, factually accurate, avoids key terms and eliminates language our legal or compliance team doesn't want, and most of all, blasts away those awful AI-isms. Now, we recently updated Writer Agent so we can kick off all 4 of these skills in parallel and then run those tasks in tandem, finishing the process much faster than if it ran them sequentially. Writer Agent, in charge of the run, then checks their work, incorporates the feedback into the document, orchestrates everything, bringing it all together into an updated draft for the final result. Here, you can see a side-by-side comparison of what the copy looks like when you produce it with a generic business voice and no AI-ism detector versus copy that's been optimized by the agent using the set of skills I've given it. Now, the great thing about these skills is that I can share them across teams and orgs. Every time we build a new playbook that involves generating copy, we can layer these on. Every team from field marketing to content to comms can leverage the work done by a single person. And that means that our prompts aren't siloed to an individual workspace or set of saved prompts in some Google Doc somewhere. If that was interesting to you, subscribe to the channel. We'll come back each week showing off playbooks and skills that folks on the writer marketing team actually use to help us level up with AI. And if you want to explore dozens of playbooks and skills that we've built for different functions of marketing departments, you can check out the Playbook Hub, link in the description below.